Hello there, welcome to Collins Accent Reduction School. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 mispronounced words in Nigeria and the correct British Standard pronunciation. I'm going to start with the Nigerian pronunciation, then the British. Number 1. Affidavit. 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 The correct British Standard pronunciation for that word is affidavit. 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 Number 2. Appreciate. 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 The correct British Standard pronunciation for that word is appreciate. 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 You can glottalize the T by saying appreciate. You don't have to say the T. Appreciate. Appreciate. Number 3. Camouflage. 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 The correct and standard British pronunciation for that word is camouflage. 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 Number 4. Capitalism. 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 But the standard British pronunciation for that word is capitalism. 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 Number 5. Cucumber. 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 That's a Nigerian pronunciation. But the standard British pronunciation for that word is cucumber. 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 For practice sake, we're going to make a sentence with each word. Number 1. Affidavit. Affidavit. Can you prepare an affidavit for a declaration of age? Can you prepare an affidavit for a declaration of age? Number 2. Appreciate. 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 I appreciate your kind gesture. Number 3. Camouflage. 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 The rabbit used the white fur as a camouflage in the snow. The rabbit used the white fur as a camouflage in the snow. Number 4. Capitalism. Capitalism. Capitalism is a dominant economic system in the country. Capitalism is a dominant economic system in the country. Number 5. Cucumber. Cucumber. The cucumber flourishes in the southern part of the country. The cucumber flourishes in the southern part of the country.
If you love this video, please don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.